The global community is engaged in finding solutions to behavior change, which is the major cause of road accidents. Initially, not all road users acquire road safety, self-discipline and responsibility skills. As a result, arbitrary behavior directed by the mind is deemed correct and final. Unless the right seeds are sown, weeds grow and encroach on the skill gap, which is an inefficient memory and needs to be replaced with an efficient one. All road users are mistaking this arbitrary behavior and inefficient memory for intelligence with the belief of finality, are proving fatal, and accidental suicides are increasing in India. On the roads of extreme abuses of liberty, arbitrary behavior is most easily established, but difficult to change. Changes in behavior require special mechanism. When solving a problem, dig roots in place of plucking leaves. Science says, if the desired result is not achieved, upgrade the quality of seeds, soil and process. Sprinkling water on the leaves will not be fruitful unless water reaches the roots. Sprinkling knowledge on a superficial level will not be fruitful unless the knowledge reaches the inner intelligence. Unless the melting point of the metal is achieved, the desired shape cannot be formed, and unless the melting point of the effort is achieved, the desired habit cannot be formed. Unhappy people don't understand wise advice because they want comfort, and happy people don't understand wise advice because they don't want to give up comfort. Arbitrary behavior is guided by the mind, and desired stable behavior is guided by the inner intelligence. The one you water the most grows the most. Either we should solve the problem or leave the problem, but we should not live with the problem, and if we cannot leave the problem, then we should solve the problem at all costs. Without action, the rate of accidental suicides will increase from the current 500 to 5,000 per day within 30 years, and every third person will be disabled around us. People become part of the solution when their loved ones die by accidental suicide, but people must become part of the solution to prevent accidental suicide. Although you have achieved excellence in profession and pride in your material possessions, it does not mean that you have excelled in road safety skill. When you stop updating yourself, you become outdated. Expecting outdated output based on outdated input is madness. Doing same and expecting different result is madness. Taking action to prevent disaster is sanity, but waiting for disaster to occur and then taking action is insanity. Remember, when disaster strikes, the time to prepare has already passed. Based on behavioral science, Mother India Care has developed a revolutionary super special therapy for desired stable behavior, which replaces inefficient memory with efficient memory. Global wisdom research has scientifically proven that super special therapy is highly effective, and even a common person can understand and support it. We are presenting a dare to all road users to become better. To be better than you are is the greatest challenge. If you don't dare to become better, you can't become better. Every day around 500 road users are dying in road accidents because they did not dare to be better. Time makes better those who don't dare to be better, which is very painful. Do you change yourself or does time change you is the open question. The wise are those who make changes before time changes them. Do not dare not to dare. We have all unknowingly become part of the problem, thinking that everyone except me is part of the problem, whereas we are all the problem, and we are all the solution. Take ownership of your mistakes. Correct and compensate for your mistakes. It is not about what we do, but also what we do not do on roads, for which we are accountable. Taking responsibility makes you more confident and builds your character, but passing the buck doesn't give you a chance to learn from your mistakes or help you better. A duty dodged is like a debt unpaid, it is only deferred, and we must come back and settle the account. Road users who are not accountable to themselves are not to be trusted, no one can heal them. It is easy to avoid our responsibilities, but we cannot avoid the consequences of avoiding our responsibilities. By taking responsibility for yourself, you can stop relying on others to take your responsibility. Be accountable for your results. It is in our best interest to recognize that there is a difference between being responsible and taking responsibility, and people select being responsible. Taking responsibility is more about accountability, and it is about what you do after things have happened, how you respond, and taking ownership of the results. Whether to be held accountable or to be a victim is one of those fundamental decisions that everyone needs to make, whereas the former leads us to a happier and more rewarding life. Road accidents can be prevented with as much certainty as they can be provoked, and we who fail to prevent them are to be blamed for the dead. Science always includes 10 side effects with every benefit it gives. When there were no vehicles, there were no road traffic accidents. We have to learn how to save ourselves from side effects. In the absence of learning road safety skills, we have started following the mind, which encourages us to enjoy the tastes of the senses and choose what is easy rather than what is right. By understanding what we were, are and will be, and by doing what is right rather than what is easy, together we can fix the root cause of the growing problem of accidental suicides. Darkness is no match with light, but light must be active because, in the absence of light, darkness is automatic. Prefer waking consciousness over dormant consciousness. Accident provocation is no match with accident prevention, but accident prevention must be active, because in the absence of accident prevention, accident provocation is automatic. Prevention is better than cure. Treatment without prevention is absolutely not sustainable. Unless an accident occurs, prevention is not given importance. By failing to prepare, we are preparing to fail. True prevention is not preventing an accident at the last place, but preventing accidents from happening in the first place, because one proper way to prevent is better than 50 ways to fix it. You have to motivate yourself with challenges. That is how you will come to know you are still alive. You can only go to places that you will let yourself go. Dare to be better. No one is born perfect but born to be the best. Nobody is perfect, and we can try to be the best and settle for being better than the same. Be better, be wiser, and be a first-class citizen. Despite the fact that no one can be perfect, but with super special therapy you can become better than the rest, and we want to ensure that no one is left behind in the category of rest. Be controlled by yourself, not by others. Be limited by yourself, not by others. If you want to be controlled by others, seek testimony and rely on external motivations again and again. If you want to be controlled by yourself, then take the trial and become a testimony for yourself. You can never be like others if you copy others. Be original, be aware, and be prepared. Road accident deaths are a man-made disaster. Is this disaster acceptable to you? If not, then what are you doing to end this disaster? If you are doing nothing, it means that this is acceptable to you, and you are inviting disaster into your home. Serious issues should not be taken casually, otherwise you will become a casualty. Embark on a 6-level journey to become a super expert in road safety skills by accepting National Dare of Mother India Care for Ethical Mind Gardening. Nothing changes until you change. Everything changes once you change. By changing nothing, nothing changes. Never accept what you can't change, and change what you can't accept. If you are confident and ready to make changes within yourself, then say out loud, I am no longer accepting the things I can't change. I am changing the things I cannot accept. Vegetarians have strengthened their inner intellect, and they never violate their dietary rules. Road users can also strengthen their inner intelligence through super special therapy. Use the link in the description box below to incorporate art of road safety to your life through super special therapy and establish desired stable behavior and mind mastery. Jai Hind.